Alright, I got a 2004 twin-turbo Cayenne. I want to give a brief review of what I've done on this fiber optic install. Real quick, you have your standard power connection, which is right here. Mine did not come with a ACC wire, so I had to do a piggy, in which I've got my trigger wire, or you call your ACC wire, ignition wire, which I fed through here, and then coming out with a piggy back here off one of my inputs. Fiber optics here, when you're installing it, you have to remove, there's a installation feeder, you have to pull that out. It's a little plastic thing. You plug that in, the power, I spliced in. My constant power is there. It is the yellow and black, and it's the battery power, and then I have an amp power that goes to there as well. But I did not have, sorry, my battery went low, did not have a trigger wire, ignition wire, so I had to do it this way. I read that a few Porsches are like that. Yours may not be like that. I think Matthew's was not, and he helped me out a lot, probably a crazy amount. Steering wheel controls, again, this is off of number 13 wire. It's labeled in your schematic. These two won't be used. This, I believe it's Sirius, and I also have a turquoise blue one, but I believe Matthew had mentioned just like this somewhere buried. It was an additional antenna. For the moment, I'm just going to use this black antenna. So if you look, you got the GPS right here, you got your power and your stereo wires, which for the fiber optics I only use the out 2, and then my antenna I installed. There is if you pull this out, there's two, forget T15s or the exact size, but that hold this speaker cover over, and then there is an area right here where you can loop it in. It's very simple. You just have to pull this out, spin it sideways, and then I dremeled this out so it could lay flat inside. So very easy install after you know what you're doing, but for the most part it's very easy. So you've got your fiber optics, your canvas, you just splice in your power there. You will need, like I said, the trigger wire or the ACC, which is this red wire, which I've got everything built into that. And then I've got my splice connectors. I believe they're 18 to 24 splice connector kit. They're right down there. And then there's the factory radio, which is broken. That's the only reason why I'm replacing it. Other than that's a little bit better technology. Won't be using these at all. There's an input over here that's not used at all either. And like I said, I had a turquoise additional air input for an antenna, which did not use yet. I might need to get a 2-to-1 antenna connection. When putting this in, it's pretty tight. I'm going to shove some stuff up in here and shove some stuff in there, and it should go in. That's it. Good luck. Happy installation.